It was all in the cookies. Hi everyone, I'm David, and welcome to Homemade Goodies, where we cook good eats and make sweet treats. And on this episode, we're making chicken again. But this time, we'll be marinating and grilling it. As I've stated before, chicken is one of my all-time favorite foods. In late 2021, I decided to try making grilled chicken tenders, because there's something my family makes from time to time, and I thought it would be a good way to expand my cooking repertoire. I hope you've got some questions ready, because we're about to grill this chicken. For utensils, you'll need a medium-sized bowl and lid, a small bowl, tongs, a marinating brush, a large paper plate, and a grill. For this episode, we will be using an electric tabletop grill. And for ingredients, you'll need chicken tenders and Baja Chipotle sauce. First, put your chicken tenders in the medium-sized bowl. Add your Baja Chipotle sauce into the bowl and mix the sauce with the chicken. When your chicken and sauce are mixed together, put a lid over the bowl and put the bowl in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. As your chicken marinates in the fridge, turn on your grill to high heat. Fill your small bowl with some more Baja Chipotle sauce. Once the 30 minutes are done, take your chicken out of the fridge and start grilling. Using your marinating brush, add some more Baja Chipotle sauce onto the tenders. After 3 minutes, turn the chicken over and add more sauce with your brush. Once the sauce has been added to the tenders, cook each side for 3 minutes until fully cooked. When you're done cooking, serve on your plate and enjoy. And that's how I do grilled chicken tenders. And I hope you enjoyed this episode of Homemade Goodies. Be sure to join me next time, and until then, keep on making. It was all in the cookies.